is gonna be something here tonight, boy. I can feel the love in the air, man. Before we get started, I got some good news and I got some bad news. I'm gonna give you the bad news first. Qantas Airlines went on strike, man. The good news is Naughty by Nature can't get back home, and we're gonna stay here in Australia and party with y'all all fucking summer, man. All summer. So if you got an extra room in your house, maybe like 3 extra bedrooms, we need somewhere to stay for the rest of the summer, y'all. If you would be so kind. I don't eat much, I just turned vegan. 1, 2. Brisbane, Australia, what up? Are y'all ready for some hip-hop tonight or what? How many of y'all missed that 90s hip-hop? What up? Alright, real quick, I got some rules and I want to let y'all know something real quick. If you got a cell phone, if you got a camera, or whatever, take it, feel free to record, because that's how we get down. Take it, put on YouTube, do whatever, and have a perfect party with us tonight, alright? One more time, I'm gonna ask you, are y'all ready for some 90s hip-hop or what? Let's go. It's about to go down, Brisbane, Australia. Are you ready to get Naughty by Nature tonight or what? I go by the name of JG. I got my man Big Rock in the house with me. I got Trigger Track in the house with me. Are y'all ready for Naughty by Nature? Put your hands in the air. Slice